Okay, hopefully this is the last one. You guys are doing a great job of keeping up. I know this is a lot. It's a little heavier than what we've done. You may need to rewatch parts of this. Okay, this is a lot of logic and it's a lot of thinking. Okay, you may need to go back and forth between this document. Okay, pause it, look at it, see what's going on here, and then go back to this and really understand what's happening. Okay, I recognize it's kind of heavier, so hopefully you guys are doing okay. Anyways, so we've done all this. Okay, we've started, we've done our setup. Okay, we've set our positions and everything are all going here. We've done our broadcasts. Everything is working the way we want it to. We've waited for our key press. We've checked if our key press matches our variable. And then if it's yes, we say found. If it's no, we say miss. The only thing that's missing right now is this part here, okay? And we've actually already done part of it. Let's go back here. So we've already done the found for the hen and the chicken, right? We've got when found, when you're correct, okay, when you found the right position, and when you miss, we've done the hen and we've done the chick. Okay, the only thing that has to happen now, and actually let's look at what happens. Let's run this. Okay, I'm going to hit this. Okay, it says press 1, 2, or 3. I know that it's 2, so I'm going to hit 1. Okay, it says try again, but there's no indication here from the eggs, and there probably should be, right? There should be some way to say that we created these costumes for a reason so that they would open up. Okay, so and same thing with this egg here. Okay, go to the costume. It's supposed to open up to go, look, there's nothing here. Okay, and the same as that the shell game that we saw. Okay, all right, so let's go back and let's add that in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, we'll start off with our empty egg 1, okay, and I'm going to add in a what happens when I receive a miss. So let's go to our events. When I receive a miss, okay, I'm going to switch my costume because that's what I want it to do. I want it to go from this egg to the other one. So I'm going to say switch costume. I've actually renamed these. So in my costume here, I had these, I think I left them originally what they were named something different. So they're now named egg closed and empty reveal. Okay, same thing here, egg closed and empty reveal. And then in our chick, we've got egg closed and chick reveal. I'm not sure if I did that in the video or not. Anyways, just pay attention for that. Okay, so we're on this guy. When I receive miss, switch my costume to empty reveal. Okay, I'm gonna wait for maybe half a second, or maybe 1 second. 1 second's long enough, and then I'm gonna switch back. Switch costume to egg closed. Okay, so this is a mistake. I click on 1, it's actually 2. This is going to open up and for a second go, look at me, I'm empty for a second, and then go back to closed. Okay, so it goes, look at me, I'm empty, back to closed. Okay, same thing is going to happen on our empty egg 2. Okay, so I'm going to actually just take this code, copy it, go to empty egg 2 and paste it here. Okay, so now when I run this, the variable is 3, I hit 1, this opens, and I hit 2, and this opens as well. Now I'm actually realizing that because these are both listening for miss, they both open at the same time. So this and this are both getting the code miss, and so they're both revealing, which is probably a mistake. I probably should have a better solution to that. And if you want, you can work through that if you want to, but I feel like this video has gotten long. This tutorial has gotten long enough already, so we'll just leave it the way it is. Okay, so we've got most of this is working. Okay, we've got our eggs revealing. Okay, we also need to have this guy here. You found me. We switch our costume, so that works okay. Let's click on 3. Okay, you found me. Hooray. So all of this seems to be working. The only thing I would like to add in now is just to make sure that we have a reset. So I'm gonna add in a reset in a couple places. I'm gonna go to my chick here, okay, and I'm gonna create when I receive a reset, because I think I'm going to add in at the very bottom of this code here on our hen, I'm going to add in a reset. Okay, so when we click this, in case I'm playing the game and I want to reset it by clicking this, I can reset everything. Okay, so when this is clicked, I'm going to go to my events and I'm going to broadcast a new message that's called reset. Okay, and I'm going to put this also copy. I'm also going to put it at the bottom of this guy. Okay, broadcast reset. Okay, at the bottom of my found. Okay, the other place I'm going to put it is when we get the correct answer. Okay, I'm going to put in here, I'm going to say when I receive a reset, I'm going to switch my costume to egg closed. Okay, because we want to reset that. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. Copy, paste. When I receive reset, go to egg closed and paste. When I receive uh, a reset, I'm going to go to egg closed. Okay, so that's just going to reset these guys based on if I reset my position. If I start this game, so say I'm playing this game and I got, so the egg right now is 1. I hit 3. This is now in the middle of gameplay. I need to reset everything according to this, and that's why we added that reset code in there. Okay, and I think that's it, guys. I think that's about all you need for this game. Okay, so I run the game. It sets my variable. I press 1, it's wrong. I press 2, it's wrong. I press 3, it says hooray. That hooray was a bit quick. Let's go to make this a bit longer. Hooray. That's 1.5 seconds, really? Let's try that again. 2, hooray. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, so we get a 2-second delay. Okay, when we're found. Okay, run the game. 1 is wrong, 3 is wrong, 2 is right. Hooray. Press 1, 2, 3 to find my baby chick. Okay, so that's the game. I think there's a lot here. I hope you guys get it. I hope you guys understand the positioning of these things. Okay, we've got 3 positions, and basically what it comes down to is a it, not it, depending on what these are. So if it's 1, if your variable is 1, it's it, not it, not it. If it's 2, it's not it, not it. And if it's 3, it's not it, it. And then you just basically put your 2 opposite eggs in the other 2 positions accordingly. Okay? Take a look at this. Spend some time looking at it. Spend some time going through these videos. There is a lot here. It's a bit confusing. But this is what has to happen for you guys to be able to come up with a game. Okay? And this is where we're going. We're getting to the point where we now have enough tools because you didn't actually learn anything new in this. All you're learning is the logic. There are no new code blocks in this. And we're going to be getting into some more advanced games. So you need to start thinking about how do I do this? What's my process to build something like this? Okay? All right. That's it for this week. This will easily take you 3 hours, I should think. Submit this on Google Classroom. Make sure you name this properly, share it, get the link, and then submit to Google Classroom. All right, guys, have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.